Well, hello. Some of you have noticed that I disappeared a few months back, and I want you to know nothing bad happened. I'm back. We've just been really busy working on a new exciting project, and I'll go ahead and tell you about it. We've been working on our green channel, especially with all the power outages that went on this winter and bad weather. What we did was we expanded our other channel of Why Am I Green into more of a survival prepper self help type channel. So we've been working a lot on growing that and building it this winter, making different DIY projects, kind of like this beautiful little stove. So instead of building boats, I've been building stoves and fire starters and candles, copper, what do they call that? Copper pipe type candle, forever candles, all kinds of different kind of things, water purifying, anything having to do with going back to basics, being self-sufficient, not just in the country, but even where I live as I guess you could say, a city dweller. Okay. So we've been working a lot on that, and we finally got that up and running. So I wanted to come back and let you know where we've been. I'd like to invite you to join us at that channel. And if you're into DIY projects, you probably really enjoy it. It's Why Am I Green? And I'll have the link below this video. And as for boat building, well, I slowed down for a couple of reasons. Number one, because of my health, I haven't been able to work a lot with my back, but we don't want to get into the negative, but also for another negative reason, where I'm living. As many of you know, we're renting. We've been looking for a house way up north, up in the boonies for the past year and a half. And hopefully this summer will be the thing. We need place to be able to build. As a lot of you know, we started building our big 35-foot, basically my ocean going vessel outside that I was building, our yacht. I got I got the freaking excuse me, I got the frame. That was a Freudian slur. I got the frame built. We started, we had so much in there, and the landlord says, I'm selling the house, you got to get out of there. So we ended up having to get the whole thing out of there, and we finally did. Then he says, I'm not selling the house. So I started building another one. He said, but I want to move into your apartment. So we started looking for a house and gave up with the boat building for the time being. I still have my Panga. I did not get rid of that one, and I'm going to finish that this summer. But like I said, we're spending so much time traveling up north, and it's like 2 hours every time to go see a house. And working on the other channel, we've been so busy, we've neglected boat building. So I apologize for that. I hope you folks stay with me, because when we do get that house, I'm going to get right back into it. I still want to build my houseboat. I have so much I want to do. I love boat building. So we're looking for a place where I have room to do it. We're looking for a place where I'm either near a river, near a lake, or right on the ocean. And Maine is a lot of right on the ocean places, but they're going to be very remote, which is another reason why the Why Am I Green is going to help, because we're going to have to make ourselves self-sufficient, kind of like an off-grid homestead. Right now we're an urban homestead, but we want to be an off-grid country homestead. So follow me along there so you can see what I'm doing. I'll be coming back here just once in a while to leave things. Probably not so much with boat building, but hopefully boat-related things. I am going to be, hopefully this summer, even while we're looking for places, I want to get out in the water, and hoping to finish my Panga this summer. Just need to paint it a little bit. And also we have the aluminum boat, so maybe we can do some fishing videos. So with that, I want to thank all of you who have kept on supporting us, kept on popping in saying, where are you? And those of you that are building your boats, I hope your progress is going great and that you can get on the water very soon. So with that, once again, I'm back. And you all have a great day. Bye-bye now.